on the forefront of this transformation. So, and we have been supporting industries across automotive, aerospace, bearings, machine tools, all of this. So we'll try to walk through like what are the solutions offered by Marposs and how it can benefit the industry. So just to give an overview, so as a Marposs group, so we are present in 34 plus countries, so and having 80 plus offices. So and also other key aspect what I would like to highlight here is if you look at our R&D investment, so we do annually about 8% back into R&D. So by that it gives a perspective on what is our stand on bringing innovations and bringing helping the industry across various segments which we already spoke about. So and also since this is Makers of Bharat, so our managing director Mr. Cosimo Chereda, so he's very keen on this aspect particularly, and we have been supporting this aspect by actively producing here our gauging, multi-gauging stations over in India. So with this little contribution, we are supporting the Make in India initiative also, which is in line with the government of India. So many of the leaders before me spoke on various aspects of quality. Seenivasan sir from IAMPL rightly said about quality driven manufacturing foundations and how quality has been critical now. So Devarajan sir spoke a lot about that, right? So and Mr. Hiremath and Someshvar Hardik also spoke on these aspects. So quality has become critical, and it has been now an inevitable part of manufacturing. So like earlier times, it is not a privilege anymore. It is a mandatory aspect, what I could say. So here on the quality parameters, so if you look at, so skilled operator was an essential part in all our times. So, but now with solutions offered by Marposs, we can eliminate those dependencies, right? By wherein we can avoid line stoppages, we can enhance the process capabilities. So lower path setting time, which way we can improve the productivity, right? So we will see in the subsequent slides on these aspects. So what we are doing here for low line stoppages. So we have an innovative solution called GEM CMS, which is a collision monitoring system. So many of you cases would have seen that in the industry, like we have new manpower joining, so they are not generally trained, or it could be out of oversight, or it could be out of an programming error as well. So we have seen many collisions happening on the machine. So, and since there are expensive machines on the shop floor, so those collisions not only impact the production loss, but it also impacts the credibility of the end user with his end customers. So which is where we are addressing with our innovative CMS solution, which is a collision monitoring system. So on the process capability, we have Blue Systems, which is a closed loop system. So for the specifically for the grinding applications, wherein we can monitor and have a feedback as well. And then the part and tool setting solutions, we have probes and tool setters. Then we have run-out systems, wherein specifically customers who are into aluminum machining, they would have come across this issue wherein the spindle run-out is a case because of chip entry into the tool holder. So we will see in detail in the subsequent slide on this. And GEM CPU is the monitoring aspect, wherein we can do tool monitoring, power monitoring, tool breakage, where all these aspects do, involving multiple sensors or the solutions. So just to give other overview of what Marposs can do. So on the especially for the automotive industries, which is well known, but apart from that, on the aerospace line as well. So we support monitoring or the inspection or measurement for structures as well as engine side also. So you could see there are a lot of solutions, like we have gauging solutions, optical, non-contact, NDT solutions, and machine monitoring solutions. So just
Hi.
small video.
Have you ever been faced with collisions
Collision
and
monitoring,
consequential
what?
downtime effects? Some manufacturers have. Errors can be reduced, but never eliminated. This is why we introduced GEM CMS, a solution to prevent the worst consequences, in order to save production schedule, and even much more. With a 1 millisecond reaction time, the risk of excessive damage is minimized, and the machine's life is even extended. Our monitoring is your protection.
So this was a small video about collision monitoring system.
Hi.
So wherein this will prevent any major mishap, or because it reacts in less than a millisecond, the impact or the damages would be minimum. That way you save on the spindle cost as well, and also you could bring back to production in a very quick time. So these are some of the causes what have been listed. Why there could be a collision? Because of wrong offset or wrong programming, or we could have loaded different part altogether. This could be multiple reasons for this. So this is the sensor, collision monitoring sensor. This is a strain-based sensor. So you could see on the graph the red line indicated is the threshold upper limit. So as soon as there is an impact, so this is happening in rapid, so immediately the emergency is triggered and machine has halted. So that way, even in this case, the tool also didn't break, right? So this was an rapid collision from on the Z-axis. So you could see in less than a millisecond, the system was able to detect this strain and immediately halt the machine. So on the having said about the technical aspect also, we also wanted to give you the commercial overview also. What is that we are offering here? It is not on the price, so we have an ROI also here on your screen. So what you see is probably when there is any collision, like the tool gets damaged, so which is costing somewhere around 5,000, and then repair of the spindle, considering even an Indian make of machine, it is nothing less than 1.5-2 lakhs. Then loss of production, because you don't get that spindle replaced that easily by any OEM, and forget about the imported mix, so it would take sometimes months. So those production loss you consider, then we are offering at a very attractive price to customers here. So we could say is just one collision would give the ROI for you. So this has been very successful, and specifically in the automotive and the aerospace segment, this has become an household name, the CMS unit, and it has saved a lot of production losses and the cost on the repair of the spindles. So and also on the pricing, so because of the in this Makers of Bharat event, so we are offering at a very special discounted price at 4.5 lakhs, so which is generally 5 lakhs. So we are offering a straight 16% special discount. You can write to us probably on this email ID. So later we can share this also. So that was on the collision monitoring, and then the closed loop. We have solution called Blue, what we spoke last. So here it is a connected system wherein there is a feedback and entirely auto correction is being taken care of. Right. So this is how the schematic view, how the closed loop solution works. And now I'd just like to talk about the probing part, wherein the product inspection, measurement can be made inside the machine, so you don't lose out on that time, and also you measure it accurately. So the traditional way was maybe with a dial and all, so or a shim or a paper is what we used to do earlier. So now that can be totally replaced by an automated solution by Marposs. So this is the tool setter wherein you can measure the tool length plus dia inside the machine itself. So where there is no scope for any errors, because it is taken care automatically. optical probing solution or the radio probing solution on the machines. So and we have a very user-friendly macros as well. So there is an app also available both on iOS and Android, wherein you just give the component dimension, you get the macro. And then this is the tool breakage detector, so wherein you can detect the tool breakage on the machine. So probably when there is a drill and a tap, then you have a broken drill, then you lose out on the tap itself, and then probably it ends up in the final inspection that you have produced the part without a drill or a tap. So those can be avoided. So and again on the commercial side, if you on the product side, if you look at the tool setters, so where you make the tool length, dia, and the breakage detection also. So we are offering it at an exclusive 95,000 as a special price here for the benefit of the event. And then and also about the probing also, we are extending a special pricing at 1.75 lakhs. So probably we can make an benefit out of this event having participated. So those were on the probing part. Then on the tool holder runout system, specifically the aerospace component manufacturers probably would have faced this issue, where generally the aluminum part machining is done, where the chips fly and get accumulated on the tool holder. So those chips are difficult to detect, and only once you have an component produced, right, you realize that it is an oversized part or not as per the dimension. So through our eddy current based runout sensor, we can detect those major dia and minor dia, which gives us the displacement basically. So that by that we are able to understand what is the runout on the tool holder, and those can be we can set the limits. So maybe a safer limit, and then alarm, and then hard stop. So those could be done. So this is another innovative solution by Marposs, right? And then on the monitoring part, so we have GEM Junior Modular Solutions, wherein we can do a lot of monitoring activities on the machine. Like our speakers also in the earlier topics, they spoke about where predictive maintenance is and must these days. And likewise, so we have a monitoring solution wherein you can monitor the tool, like once it is, so before even like how it is wearing out, right? Once the tool is broken or there is an overload, all these aspects could be measured. There are multiple ways what we do, either through digital torque adapters or through CT coils measuring the current data and plotting the power curve. So by this, so we are able to monitor the machine on the go without having to waste any single second of cycle time as well. So this is another innovative solution which could be incorporated any make of the machine. So this was on the monitoring, like you can optimize your and the traceability is what speakers also said, especially our from aerospace segment, Mr. Hardik and Mr. Hiremath shared about having the traceability of the process, so which could be like addressed with our artist monitoring solutions. So these are the benefits, to list a few, like on the increase on the tool life, right? So reduction on the machine stoppages, and you know when to change the tool, because you are generating alarm as soon as it is worn out, right? So straight away you can see at least 20% increase in the tool life. So yeah, so this was about our probing solutions and the monitoring solution. So in a nutshell, having incorporated this, so you'll be able to straight away jump 20 to 25% of productivity improvement on the shop floor, which could be seen from day one itself. So now I would like to call my colleague Nikhil to talk about our post-process solutions as well. Thank you.
Through the end process systems, I'll be explaining you over our post-process solution. So we have our Testar products, which are gauging pencil probes used for our custom gauging solution, the end-to-end solutions. This will be based on customer requirement, based on cycle time, as well as the part limitations, etc. So these are